3 everyday tasks you can automate this week. No tech skills needed. What if you could get back 10 hours a week just by automating a few simple tasks? Automation isn't complicated. It is all about removing repetitive work. So you just start small. Take a simple step by just looking at your entire business. I advise clients to make 2 lists. One list of the tasks that steal their time and another list of tasks someone else could perform on their behalf. Let's look at 3 simple tasks you can automate. The first one is automating response to inquiries. For example, website inquiries, social media messages, and missed calls. Setting up automation for these functions could have a positive impact on your business and your time with faster response times, more leads captured, and better customer experience. The second task we'll look at is lead follow-up. Did you know most leads go cold if they're not responded to quickly? Automation sends reminders, and with consistent follow-up, the impact on your business is positive, with more bookings and less manual tracking. The third task that can be automated in your business with little or no tech experience is appointment confirmations and reminders. Adding this automation will reduce no-shows, improve client experience, and save time. These aren't advanced systems. They're simple automations that save time, capture leads, and help your business run more smoothly. Before you purchase another AI tool, determine what task you can automate first. Use my personalized AI business plan to show where you can automate and save time. Click on the link below or DM us Get My Plan and we'll send you the link. Visit All For You Digital for more information. Subscribe to stay connected.